So to start our beret, we need to chain 5 and then join in the first chain to form a circle. Now we're starting with the first round by chaining 2, and we'll make half double crochet, then half double crochet in the circle. We'll again join with a slip stitch. Round 2, we'll chain 2, 2 half double crochet in every chain. So every chain will make 2 half double crochet. We should have at the end 20 half double crochets. Now on to row 3. Again we'll chain 2. So in every round we'll begin with chaining 2. So now in row 3 we'll do 2 half double crochet in the next stitch or first stitch, and then 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. We'll keep doing the same until the end of the circle. So 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 in the next, and 1 in the next. So we'll alternate. In row 4 again we'll chain 2, we'll do 2 half double crochet in the beginning first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So now we're increasing the single half double crochet in the round. That way we'll keep our circle flat. In row 5, we'll increase the half double crochet with 1, means row 5 we'll do the 3 half double crochet in the 3 stitches. So 2 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the next 3. Row 6, 4 half double crochet in each of the 4 next stitches. We'll do the same, we'll keep increasing till row 10. So now we have completed the 10th row. What we'll start is a single half double crochet in every stitch for the next 15 rows. So from the row 10 we will do only half double crochet in every stitch in a spiral mode. So it means we will not close the circle at the end of every round. We'll continue working in a spiral. So as you can see here, I chained 2. Then I started making half double crochet in every stitch. So as you can see here, I'm not closing the round, but I'm doing a half double crochet on top of the initial chain 2, and then I'll continue in spiral. So now I'm starting row 24. So in this beginning of the row, I'm gonna do my first decrease to make my beret look smaller on the top of the head. So here I'm gonna make a decrease of 3 half double crochet, as you can see. So I'll be working 3 incomplete half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and at the end I'll join all of them together. That's how I do my first decrease. So from this point I'll be working half double crochet for the next 49 stitches. So I'll be counting while working the half double crochet 49 stitches until I reach the 50th stitch, where I will do my next decrease, which is exactly the same as this one, 3 half double crochet together. So you continue after the decrease with 1 half double crochet in every stitch till the end of the row, or where you put your stitch marker. Then you will continue as normal with the 25th row, which is half double crochet in every stitch. We will not do any decrease for 25th row, and then we'll meet when we'll start making the single crochet stitch to finish our beret. Okay, so now we are in row 26. Here we are doing a small change, where again we're decreasing our beret to give it the shape it has at the end, and we'll start with a single crochet. So from our stitch marker points, we'll start straight with a single crochet for row 26 and 27, so 2 rows of single crochet. Again, we'll put a stitch marker here so we don't lose track of our work. So now I have finished 2 rows of single crochet, and I'm starting my 28th row. Okay, here the decrease I'll do it differently. It's not gonna be in the beginning of the row, but in the mid rows, like I'm marking with a stitch marker. Why I'm doing this? Because I want my beret to look even after I'm done with it, and you can't clearly see where I have done a decrease. So this is what I'm doing now. If you don't want to do it the same, then you can do the decrease in the beginning row like we did previously, so it is easier for you. Now row 29 to 30 we'll make single crochet in every stitch. Now our last row will be number 37, where I'm gonna slip stitch in every stitch. Very simple, just slip stitch to close the whole work and then fasten off at the end. And this is what we get at the end of the work. A very nice beret. It's loose, it's comfortable, and it's fashionable as well. Now the pom-pom, I'll include another video for that, so stay tuned for it. I hope the explanation was understandable and clear enough. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.